So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to create a simple class and object program by using C++ programming. So first, open your editor. So it's a very simple program what we're going to do today. So first, include data files. Include IO stream. Next thing is using namespace std. So before going to the int main, let's declare a class. So our name of the class is going to be num. So next thing is just going to be a private. So what is this private? So private, this inside this private we are going to declare the data types of the variable. So when it's for declaration of variables. So private means it's only accessed by the members, the person only in the class, and can't be accessed from outside that class. So before going to that, in this program we are just going to enter a number, input a number inside a function and going to display it, and these two functions are going to be accessed by the object of a class. So inside private just int n. So this is going to be our number, and after outside the private we are going to put public. So why public mean public? So if it's not public, we can't access it from outside the main function or other class. So every time when you're declaring a function inside a class, it need to be public. Otherwise, there's no point in creating that class or function. So functions inside a class are known as data members or class functions. I mean multiple names like that. So can name it accordingly. So it's going to be void get. So we're going to just get the input. So it's going to be cout enter a number in the new line. So and it's going to be c in n. So this n is actually I said is accessible inside the entire class. So we are inside the class. So it's pretty much accessible. So another function now to display that number, void display cout the number yendl. So that's it. Just going to display it. So class should be terminated by a colon. The way it will shoot up an error. So next thing is the main function. Pretty much simple. So num. So num is the name of the class, and n1 comma n2 will be the class objects. And what is the use of an object of class? Object is used to get access to the data members and member functions of a class. So that's the main use of this objects. So without the objects we won't be able to access any function inside a class, and this object is also used to get the allot memory or not allot memory to give data of variables to a constructor in a class. So there has multiple functions. So first we will call n1 dot get. You can see here, so get and display. It's going to be n1 dot get. So what this function will be called. So we can access the get function using this object n1. So this function will be called, and will ask us to enter a number. Next thing n2 dot get. Next thing n1 dot display n2 dot display. Okay, it's pretty simple. Get function will be called twice for n1 and n2, so two values will be entered and display. So this display function will be executed two times, and values will be two times the value will be displayed of n1 and n2. So let's run and see. So enter a number, be 10, enter a number 20. Number is n. You compile and run. 10, 20. Look at that, you can see here 10, 20. So this is a very basic program for using a class and objects. It's like a startup program. So using this is about actually covers up all the main aspects. You can access a function, give data. So that's it. Thanks for watching.